Here, better go with transparency. Second. No, no. Sridhar, 1 minute, 1 minute. I will check it out and let you know, Sridhar, 1 second. Just, yeah, this is my Upstock account and this is my Zerodha. Actually, today I placed it in three accounts and this is my Alice Blue. Yeah, listen, absolutely. You may have an idea if you have accounts in this is my Alice Blue. Here you can see my client ID 191910 and my name itself. Uh, all these are the pending state which I have placed. Actually, out of 12, only 4 companies executed. Remaining 8 companies are in pending state in Ellis Blue. In Ellis Blue, I placed 300 quantity. This is my Upstocks account. In here also you can see my name and JS6330 is my client ID. Here only 2 companies executed out of the 12. Remaining 10 companies are in pending state. I think 9 to 10 companies in pending state. Here I placed 400 quantity. In Aries Blue 300 quantity. In Upstocks 400 quantity. But here two companies executed. This is the zero the account. Here also 11 companies are in pending state. Still, you can see in the top left side, only one company executed is M&M. These three accounts I places today because of I couldn't place more orders. The couldn't place orders more than three accounts. I just refreshing time and date once today Tuesday 16th. Some people asking me why you are showing time and date website because I am uploading this video on YouTube after complete my trading, so that some people may get doubt whether this trading is live or not. That's the reason I am showing you the time and date website. Here Nifty still trying to goes down. Sensex and okay, actually today is not going down and not going up. It's going sideways. So I think today no people can get the profit because today market is in a very bad like not profit not loss, no loss no gain, like that is going. In Upstocks we are as of now we are in 2k profit. In zero the only 300. The other reason today actually no loss no gain. It means I too not expecting anything today. Again, Sensex is raising up. Today at starting point, actually Sensex, Nifty and Sensex started with in a positive way, but later after 1 o'clock, after 12 o'clock, it is this is only 4 companies executed after 12. Here we can see profit 1800 at the top left side. Total MTM is profit in this in eligible quantity 300 means 318 means 6 points here we are getting in this eligible today. 300 into 6 1800, so 6 points we are getting. Sumit, sure, surely I will send your mail ID. Yeah, already I saw your mail yesterday, but I don't have time to send you that today surely I will send you. Indicatro 1080 means more than 3 points we are having in this account. Power grid also 2 points. M&M executed in 3 accounts, but in this account it is in minus 75. I think it is in zero. It will be on the profit side M&M, but in this account it is 120 minus. This is Upstocks, only 2 companies. Here you can see M&M in this Upstocks 200 place. Here you can see the M&M profit in 300. Yeah, actually I placed that M&M in with the different prices. So in different account it gives different profits. Sensex still raising up, but Nifty still is going neutral. I'm refreshing only 1800. Total, I think here 1800 in stocks 2000 and zero the 400 means near to 4546. I think we have. If I get 5k, I just want to close. Actually, I was waiting to scare off all positions if I get 5k, but it has been making me for last 1.5 hour. Yeah, no, no. Actually, yesterday I didn't come to WhatsApp for more time. Only 10 minutes I came to on WhatsApp for that 43 client people. But the other reason I couldn't answer for all 43 people clients. Uh, I had to go somewhere else. That's the reason I couldn't reply you for all your questions. Today definitely I will on WhatsApp of minimum 1 hour. You don't worry. Candlestick patterns I will tell you that, but not now as of now. I don't have time. Candlestick patterns and resistance levels and support levels I will explain you later surely, but not now. Once spike reached, I just want to close here. Already time is 1:30, and even market is going sideways. Better after 1:30. Already I told you that at 1:30, sometimes 110 to 1:30 market is fluctuated frequently. If again market rise up, we can't do anything because today may rise up the market or it will be the neutral because of all Asian markets will be in positive side. So our Indian market may be in positive side. I think in India market why it is falling down. In Maharashtra, COVID cases a little bit, but most of the this market affected due to the U.S. bond issues. In U.S. bond yields are issued, right? So they are extend the interest rate. So yeah, here we are getting 2 in Elise Blue. 300 quantity here, 2 means 7 points we are getting in Elise Blue. 225. Better, I think it reaches to. I think it reached 5k now. Just let me check. Let me check once in German. I am refreshing again and let me check in upstocks here. 2 2 there 2 4 here 2 1 4 5 here 4 5 4 4 9. This is my zero day account. Here you can see my client ID HQ 5292. Actually, I am showing my client ID directly. Why? No need to hide the client ID. So many people asking me don't show the vital information. Why those are not important? We can so 2324. I think is eligible 191910. I think 5253 5200 or 5300 total. I think it's better to close, guys. Once it reaches 5, I just want to close square of all companies in all three accounts, and will be in WhatsApp in two to I think five two or 5 3 in profit. So it's a small profit is enough today. Actually, today I placed more companies in three accounts. Actually, I'm expecting today more than 20K, but it gives only 5K, 5 2 or 5 3. It's okay. So better. I just want to close this. I think 2421, 242246 464. I think 51 or 52 property there. I just want to close here. I will be on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Bye. Thank you very much.